This is the Sw-Motech Quick Lock Evo side carrier for the BMW F650, 700, and 800GS models. You can find this side carrier kit at accessoryinternational.com. Today we're looking at the Sw-Motech Quick Lock Evo side carriers. Now if you are looking to expand your bike's luggage capabilities with flexibility and quality, this might be the product that you're looking for. These side carriers are built for versatility and they're going to allow you to pretty much mount any type of popular luggage to your BMW. So when I say popular luggage, we're talking about Sw-Motech Trax Evo, Trax Adventure, Aero cases, and then you also got different brands you can do as well. That's including GV monokey cases, the Kappa, the Krauser, the Hepco and Becker cases, or even Shad cases. So basically, all of the options for the popular side cases on the market will be compatible with these Sw-Motech side carriers. Now, one of the standout features of these Sw-Motech side carriers is that quick lock mechanism that's mentioned in the name. So each side uses 4 quick lock quarter turn connectors, which makes the racks really easy to both install onto your bike, but also remove from your bike in a matter of seconds. So say you want to clean your bike or do some maintenance or even just take a ride without the side carriers, you can do that really easily. Making that transition from having them on to taking them off will just take a matter of seconds. And an added bonus, if you want to add some additional security, you can pick up a pair of the keyed locking fasteners, so you're going to be the only one that's able to remove the racks with ease. Now, taking a look at the carriers themselves, these are constructed from fully welded tubular steel for maximum strength. They're finished with a black powder coat on the outside, and they're not only durable, but also going to give you a real clean, sleek look throughout your bike that's going to hold up over time. Now, the racks also come with pre-drilled mounts. It's going to make it really easy to put on different luggage adapters depending on what kind of cases you're going to use. Again, going back to the GV or the Shad or the Hepco and Becker, you'll be able to easily attach them with the mounts that will attach to these pre-drilled holes. And whether you're going for a full touring setup or you just want some extra space for your gear on your next ride, the carriers are going to have you covered. So what are you getting when you purchase this side carrier kit from our website? So you're going to get the carriers themselves, but you're also going to get the complete mounting kit to actually mount these onto your motorcycle. And if your specific bike requires a relocation of the turn signals to get these to fit on the motorcycle, we're also going to give you the wiring and the connectors to relocate the turn signals if needed. Now, if you do have an F800GS Adventure model, you have to keep in mind that these will not be compatible due to some of the differences between the Adventure model and just the standard GS models. Now guys, that is pretty much a wrap on the Sw-Motech Quick Lock Evo side carriers for these BMW models. It's going to give you a durable and flexible solution that gives you a lot of easy options for mounting luggage and adapting to your riding style. You can find this product on our website at accessoryinternational.com. And again guys, I ask if you found any value from this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. We've been doing this since 1998. We're based out of Miami, Florida, and we are a family-owned business. So your support really goes a long way to allow us to continue putting out this free content for you. Appreciate you tuning into our video today. Call us at 786-242-5400 for any questions. We'll see you next time.